Live entertainment venues depend on uninterrupted connectivity, digital ticketing, mobile concessions, security systems. Thousands of fans sharing content in real time. Oakland Arena needed infrastructure designed not just for everyday operations, but for peak demand at full capacity.
Yeah, we had a 10-year-old Wi-Fi system in the building, and as you know, technology moves fast, and it was time to modernize and really step up to be able to compete and get some of the biggest tours in the world.
Fortis Solutions partnered with RUCKUS Networks to deploy a Wi-Fi 7 solution engineered for high-density environments.
We're known in the industry as being the choice when you want performance.
Powered by next-generation RUCKUS access points, the network was designed to sustain 4+ gigabits per second during peak usage, with capacity built beyond average demand. The infrastructure was architected to support heavy device density and traffic surges across seating areas, concourses, and premium spaces. And shortly after deployment, it faced its first real test. The network went live just ahead of 2 consecutive sold-out shows. Nearly 15,000 attendees filled the arena each night, close to 30,000 guests across both events. More than 10,500 unique devices connected to Wi-Fi across the 2 nights. Fans consumed over 2.5 terabytes of data per night, more than 5.3 terabytes total. This was immediate, sustained demand at full capacity. The RUCKUS deployment performed exactly as designed. More than 90% of test locations exceeded performance targets. Per user speed supported HD streaming, uploads, and app usage without noticeable lag. No critical interruptions, no service instability. 2 sold-out events proved the deployment could handle peak demand. But the real outcome is long-term confidence. A Wi-Fi 7 deployment built on RUCKUS technology, combined with the integration of expertise of Fortis Solutions, gives Oakland Arena infrastructure designed to support rising expectations, expanding digital services, and the next generation of live experiences.